Hello students, now we will take up our exercise 13.2 which is mainly based on the cylinder. So अभी सिलेंडर को हम बेसिकली अंडरस्टैंड करते हैं कि क्या होता है सिलेंडर में. ये एक सिलेंड्रिकल शेप को मैंने लिया हुआ है अभी. So this is now base and this is the top. This is now known as the radius. Again this is the radius. So top और base, टॉप और बॉटम दोनों का ही रेडियस क्या होगा, हमेशा बराबर होगा सिलेंडर के केस में. एंड दिस इज नाउ हाइट ऑफ द सिलेंडर. इसी सिलेंडर को अगर हमने ऐसे हॉरिजेंटली इसको भी अगर लिटा दिया, हॉरिजेंटल पोजीशन में दे दिया, तो अभी यही सिलेंडर की जो हाइट है दैट बिकम्स लेंथ. सो दिस रेडियस रिमेन्स द सेम. ये भी हाइट, सो दैट बिकम्स लेंथ. इसलिए कहीं कहीं पे सिलेंडर में आपको आ जाएगा लेंथ ऑफ द सिलेंडर. सो लेंथ जब हॉरिजेंटल पोजीशन होगी उसको हम लेंथ बोलेंगे, उसी को जब हमने वर्टिकल पोजीशन दे दिया तो उसको हाइट बोलेंगे. तो हाइट और लेंथ दोनों देखा जाए तो सेम ही है, इसको हमने बोला हुआ है. अभी देखिए अगर कोई भी सिलेंडर सपोज, अब इसका मुझे अगर कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया निकालना है तो कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया क्या होगा, सी एस ए विल बी 2 पाई आर एच. मीन्स दिस इज सरकमफ्रेंस इनटू हाइट. ये 2 पाई आर क्या है, सरकमफ्रेंस ऑफ द सर्किल है. 2 पाई आर सरकमफ्रेंस इनटू हाइट. दिस इज इक्वल टू द कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया. नाउ वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट द टोटल सरफेस एरिया TSA. सो दिस विल बी 2 पाई आर एच. टोटल सरफेस एरिया देखिए, टोटल सरफेस एरिया के लिए अभी ये हमारा पेन है, ये भी क्या है, एक सिलेंड्रिकल शेप में है ना. तो टोटल सरफेस एरिया मीन्स आउटर एरिया प्लस टॉप एंड बॉटम एरिया. तो टॉप एंड बॉटम दोनों अभी क्या है, एक सर्कुलर शेप में है. सो सर्किल की एरिया क्या होती है, पाई आर स्क्वायर. सो दिस विल बी इक्वल टू प्लस पाई आर स्क्वायर प्लस पाई आर स्क्वायर. On adding we will get this. Now we can take up 2 pi r common. So 2 pi r, here it will be h plus r. So this is the formula for the total surface area. So this way we will find out. In case अभी कभी दिया होता है कि सिलेंडर it is open at the top. ओपन एट द टॉप और बॉटम, हो सकता है कि बॉटम पे भी वो ओपन हो. तो एक जगह पे ओपन है, या तो बॉटम पे ओपन है या तो टॉप पे ओपन है. उस केस में अभी एरिया क्या होगी, सो दिस विल बी द कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया प्लस एरिया ऑफ द, अगर ओपन एट द टॉप है तो बेस एरिया, और ओपन एट द बॉटम है तो टॉप की एरिया. सो दिस विल बी द टोटल फार्मूला इन दिस केस. तो अभी इसी कंसेप्ट से अभी हम सारे क्वेश्चंस को डिस्कस करते हैं. नाउ कमिंग टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 फॉर 13.2. The curved surface area of a cylinder of a right circular cylinder of height 14 centimeter is itna. So curved surface area is given. So CSA of cylinder, this is equals to 2 pi RH. So CSA is already given 88. So this is equals to 2 pi R into H. And the height is already given to us, height is 14 centimeter. So we need to find out the R. So R will be equals to 88 divided by 2 into pi into 14. So this will be equals to 88 divided by 2 into 22, then 7, then 14. So 1 time, 4 time. So this is now 2 times, this is 2 and 7 1, 7 2 ja, so 2 cancelled. So this is now 1 centimeter. So we got radius as 1 centimeter. We need to find out the diameter. So diameter of cylinder will be equals to 2r. So this is 2 into 1. So this is 2 centimeter. So now coming to question number 2. It is required to make a closed cylindrical tank of height 1 meter and base diameter 140 centimeter. Suppose this is a closed cylinder. This height is 1 meter. So this 1 meter or 100 centimeter we can write. And this base diameter is given. So this is now 70 centimeter. So base diameter is 140. So radius will be 70 centimeter. Now how many square meters of sheet are required for this? The same. Now it is a closed cylindrical, means it is closed from both the end. So closed cylindrical end means we need to find out the TSA, total surface area. So diameter is given, this is 140 centimeter. So therefore radius will be equals to, radius will be d by 2, 140 by 2. So this is 70 centimeter. So total surface area. So total surface area, this is equals to now 2 pi r bracket h plus r. So this is, we need to find out, and this height is already given 1 meter. So we have taken 1 meter as 100 centimeters. So this will be equals to 2 times 22 by 7 into r is 70, height is given 100 plus r is 70. So we can find it out. This is 10. So this is 440 into 140. So we can find out this. So this will be equals to now 7.48 meter square. So now coming to question number 3. A metal pipe is 77 centimeter long. So suppose we have made this a metal pipe. This is 77 centimeter long. So this is 77 centimeter long. The inner diameter of the cross section is 4 centimeter and the outer diameter is 4.4 centimeter. Find the inner curved surface area. Now this cylinder is in this form. Now see this, these are the inner and outer also given to us. So this way we can take it as inner and this one is the outer one. So inner and outer both are given to us. First one we need to find out the inner curved surface area. So inner CSA, this will be equals to 2 pi Ri into h. Ri, I stands for the inner radius. So this is equals to 2 into 22 by 7 into Ri. Inner radius is already given to us. So this inner diameter is 4 centimeter. So radius will be 2 into height is 77. So we can solve this. This is 11 times. So this total will be now 968 centimeter square. Similarly for the outer CSA, this will be 2 pi r outer into h. So this will be 2 into 22 by 7 into r outer. Outer diameter is given 4.4. So this radius will be 2.2 into 77. So 7 1 ja, this is now 11 times. So on simplification we got this will be 1064.8 centimeter square. Now we need to find out the total surface area. Total surface area. So this will be equals to now inner one plus outer one. So this is the inner CSA plus outer CSA plus area of this one. Now this area need to be added up. So this area is the area at the bottom and the same area is existing at the top. So we will find out the one area and we will multiply it by 2. So this area is now, see, ये एरिया अभी इस तरह से आ रही है. So this region area need to be find out. So this area will be equals to the outer area minus inner area. So this will give you this region area. So this will be just like pi r outer square minus pi ri inner area square. So अभी outer area minus inner area अभी हम करेंगे तो अभी हमारे को क्या इस रीजन की एरिया मिलेगी. इसी रीजन की एरिया को अभी हम क्या कर देंगे ट्वाइस कर देंगे, बिकॉज ये रीजन जो बॉटम पे है वही रीजन क्या टॉप पे है, तो ये एरिया आ जाएगी. तो अभी हम इसी कंसेप्ट को यहाँ पे लेके जाएंगे. सो दिस विल बी 2 टाइम्स पाई कॉमन ले लिया अभी. सो दिस विल बी आर नॉट स्क्वायर माइनस आर आई स्क्वायर. So this area we have already calculated. Inner one is 968 plus outer is 1064.8 plus this we need to calculate. So this is 22/7 r outer. So this is 2.2 whole square minus 2 whole square. So we can find out this is 968 plus 1064.8 plus 2 into 22/7. So this is now 2.2 plus 2 and 2.2 minus 2. So we can simplify this now. So this is 968 plus 1064.8 plus this can be written as 44/7 into this will be 4.2 into 0.2. So now we can simplify this. So this total area will be equals to now 2308.08 centimeter square. So this will be the total area. So now coming to question number 4th. The diameter of a roller is 84 centimeter and its length is, so this is a roller. So for this roller the diameter of the roller is 84. So we can find out the radius. Radius will be 42. So this is radius now r equals to 42 centimeter and this length is given 120 centimeter. So length is 120 centimeter for it. It takes 500 complete revolutions to move once over to level up playground. Find the area of the playground in meter square. So we need to find out the area in meter square. So the curved surface area we need to find out. So radius of roller. So radius of roller will be equals to diameter by 2. So diameter is 84 by 2, this is 42 centimeters. So CSA of roller means this is the length or the area covered in one revolution. So CSA of the roller will be 2 pi RH. So this will be equals to 2 into 22/7 into r is 42 into height is 120. So this can be solved at 6 times. So this is now 44 into 720. So this will be equals to now so this is now this much centimeter square. So in meter square we know 1 meter square is equals to 10,000 centimeter square. So now area covered by roller. So area covered by roller in one revolution. So this is equals to now 3.1680 meter square. This area divided by 10,000 will give you this much area in meter square, because we are asked in meter square. So area covered by revolution in roller in 500 revolutions now. So in 500 revolutions, So this area will be 500 into 3.168. So this will be equals to, now we can calculate this area. So this will be equals to 1584 meter square. So this complete area will be covered by the roller. So coming to question number 5th. A cylindrical pillar is 50 centimeter in diameter and 3.5 meter in height. Find the cost of painting the curved surface of the pillar at the rate of 12.50 per meter square. So suppose this is a pillar now. (50 centimeter in diameter). So radius is 25 centimeter we got, and height is given 3.5 meter. So this is 3.5 meter height is given. So the curved surface area we can find out first the radius of pillar. This is equals to now diameter by 2. So diameter is 50 by 2. So this is 25 centimeter, or this can be written as 0.25 meters. So now CSA of pillar, this will be 2 pi RH. 2 into 22 by 7 into R is given 0.25 into H is 3.5. So 7 1 ja 7, 0.5. So this can be calculated now. So this is now, if we calculate, this is 5.5 meter square. So we got the curved surface area. Now cost of painting will be equals to now area into rate, curved surface area into rate. So this is 5.5 into rate is given 12.50 rupees. So the total cost becomes, on simplification, we got this is 68.75 rupees. So now coming to question number 6. The curved surface area of a right circular cylinder is 4.4 meter square. Radius of the base is 0.7 meters. So we need to find out the height. So curved surface area, this is equals to 2 pi RH. So curved surface area, this is already given 4.4. This is equals to 2 into 22 by 7 into R into height is given 0.7. So this cancels. So this is 0.1. So this is now 4.4 is equals to 4.4 R, or R will be equals to 4.4 by 4.4. So this is 1. So we got radius is equals to 1. Now this is in meters. So this is 1 meter. So we got radius as 1 meter. The simple question. So coming to question number 7th. The inner diameter of the circular valve is this. So first of all we will make a circular valve. This is a circular valve. The inner diameter is already given. So the inner diameter of the circular valve is 3.5 meter. So radius will be 1.75 meters. Is it half of the diameter? And the height or the depth and the inner diameter of the right circular valve is 3.5 meter and it 10 meter deep. So this is now 10 meter deep. We need to find out the inner curved surface area. So radius of valve is equals to diameter by 2. So this is 3.5 by 2 means 1.75 meters. So inner CSA will be equals to 2 pi RH. So this is 2 into 22 by 7 into R is 1.75 into H is 10. So inner curved surface area, this will be 110 meter square. Now we need to find out the cost of plastering it. So cost of plastering, this is equals to rate into area. So rate is given to us, this is 40 into area is 110. So this will be equals to 4400 rupees. So we got the cost of plastering also. This is curved surface area into given rate. So now coming to question number 8. In a hot water heating system, there is a cylindrical pipe of length. So hot water system, this is in the cylindrical pipe system. So the length of the pipe or height of the pipe, they are the same thing. So the length of the pipe is 28 meters. So this is given, and the diameter is 5 centimeter. So radius will be equals to 0.25. So this is now 5 centimeter is given to us. So this will be 5 by 2 means 2.5 centimeters. Or we can write radius as 0.025 meters. Now find the total radiating surface of the heating system. So radius is equals to diameter by 2. So diameter is 5 by 2. So this is 2.5 centimeter, or this is 2.5 divided by 100. So this will be 0.025 meters. Now CSA of heating. So CSA of heating surface, this is now 2 pi RH. So this is equals to 2 into 22 by 7 into R is 0.025 into H is 28. So we can calculate, this is now 4 times. So now we can multiply all this. So this will be 4.4 meter square. So this is the now the area of this radiating surface. So now coming to question number 9th. Find the lateral surface area of a closed cylindrical petrol tank that is 4.2 meter in diameter and 4.5 meter in height. So we need to find out the lateral or the curved surface area. So only we need to find out the curved surface area of the lateral surface area. So suppose this is a cylindrical tank. This is the radius is given 4.2 meter in diameter. So this is 2.1 meter in radius, and the height is 4.5 meters. Height is given. So CSA of cylinder. So CSA of cylinder, this is 2 pi RH. So this will be equals to 2 into 22 by 7 into R is 2.1 into height is 4.5. So we can calculate, this is 0.3 on simplification. This is now 59.4 meter square. So this is the total area for this. So now coming to the second part. How much steel was actually used if 1/12 of the sheet actually used was wasted in making the tank? So total area of the tank, because it is a closed tank, so we will need to find out the TSA. So total surface area will be 2 pi R H plus R. So this will be equals to 2 into 22 by 7 into R is 2.1. Then height is 4.5 plus 2.1. So we can solve this. So this is 0.3 now. So this is 44 into 0.3 into, so this will be now 6.6. So on solving this, we got this is 87.12, this is meter square. Now 1/12 is got wasted, so we need to find out the actual. So actual sheet is, so now actual sheet will be, this will be 1/12 got wasted, so this is 1 minus 1/12, so this is now 11/12. So actual sheet will be 11/12 of area. So this will be now 11/12 into A is equals to 87.12. So area will be equals to 87.12 into 12/11. So this is now 95.04 meter square. Now coming to question number 10th. In figure 13.12, we can make this figure. So in this figure now, you see the frame of the lampshade. It is to be covered with a decorative cloth. The frame has a base diameter of 20 centimeter. So diameter is already given. So radius is equals to the 10 centimeter, half of the diameter. And the height is 30 centimeter. This total height is given to us 30 centimeter now. A margin of 2.5 centimeter is to be given for holding it over the top and the bottom of the frame. अभी क्या इसमें 2.5 सेंटीमीटर का मार्जिन भी देना है, तो अभी ये इस तरह से मार्जिन आ रहा है 2.5 सेंटीमीटर का, ये आउटर से आ रहा है मार्जिन 2.5 सेंटीमीटर का, ये अभी मार्जिन वाला हमने लिया हुआ है. सो दिस इज नाउ 2.5 सेंटीमीटर. So this is again 2.5 centimeter. So now this original height was 30. So अभी उस हाइट में क्या होगा, 2.5 और ऐड हो जाएगा. So total height will now change. So first of all we can find out the total height. So total height is 30 plus 2.5 plus 2.5. So this is now 35 centimeters. And radius remaining the same. Find how much cloth is required for covering it. So we need to find out simply the curved surface area. So now CSA of this cylinder, so this will be equals to 2 pi RH. So this is 2 into 22/7 into R. Radius is given to us, this is 10 into H is 35. So all the dimensions are given to us, we can simplify it. So this will be 7, this is 5 times, so this is now 44 into 50. Now we can calculate this. So this is now 2200 centimeter square. So this is the total area required for this. So coming to question number 11th. A student of the Vidyalaya were asked to participate in the competition for making a decorative pen holders in the shape of the cylinder with the base using the cardboard. So this is now a pen holder in the shape of the cylinder. In the shape of the cylinder with the base using the cardboard, each pen holder is to be made of radius 3 centimeter. So radius is given, this is 3 centimeter and the height is 10.5 centimeter. So height is also given 10.5 centimeter. The Vidyalaya was to supply the competitors with the cardboard. Now there are 35 competitors. How much cardboard is required to be bought for the competition? So first of all we need to find out the cardboard required for this. Now see that the cardboard required for this will be a closed from the bottom. क्योंकि ये भी जो भी पेन होल्डर अगर आप रखोगे इट हैज़ टू बी क्लोज्ड फ्रॉम द बॉटम एंड ओपन एट द टॉप, तभी आप ऊपर से पेन रखोगे और वो नीचे क्या होगा, रिटेन होगा। अगर बॉटम ओपन रहेगा तो पेन तो नीचे चला जाएगा, इसलिए भी क्या होगा, दिस विल बी नाउ क्लोज्ड विद द बॉटम। सो दिस हैज टू बी केप्ट इन द माइंड दैट total cardboard will be required will be a curved surface area with this base area. So total area of cardboard for one pen holder, cardboard required for one pen holder, so this will be equals to CSA plus pi r square. Pi r square is this base area, so curved surface area plus this base area, that will be the total cardboard required for one pen holder. So this will be CSA will be 2 pi RH plus pi r square, so we can take up pi RH common, so this will be now 2 times H plus R, so this will be now 22 by 7 into R is already given to us, R is 3 centimeter and 2 into height is 10.5 plus R is 3, so we can solve it now. So this will be 22 by 7 into 3, so this will be 21 plus 3. So this can be solved, 22 by 7 into this will be 3 into 24. So this will be the area for one cardboard. So this will be equals to 1584 divided by 7 centimeter square. So the total area of 35 pen holders. So now we need to find out the total area for 35 pen holders. So one pen holder कितना आ गया? So this will be now 1584 divided by 7 into 35. So 7 बन जा, 7 5 जा. Now we can multiply this. So this will be equals to 7920 centimeter square. So we got the total cardboard required for 35 completers. It will be 7,920 centimeter square. So we have completed our exercise 13.2. Thank you. Okay students, I hope अभी तक हमने जो भी पढ़ा है आपको समझ में आया होगा. इनकेस अगर आपको कोई भी डाउट है तो आप हमें कांटेक्ट कर सकते हो. आप हमारे एपिसोड्स को लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और अपने फ्रेंड्स को भी रेफ़र कीजिए ताकि हम आपके लिए और भी अच्छे अच्छे सोल्यूशंस ला सकते हैं. ओके, टेक केयर, गुड बाय एंड गॉड ब्लेस यू.